everyone. So this is question 2. A curve and a line are given by equations 2xy plus 5y square equals to 24. And the second equation is given 2x plus y plus 4 equals to 0. Find the point of intersection of the line and the curve. So to find out point of intersection, what do? We solve these two equations simultaneously. So first thing, as we have y and y squared, so we cannot equate the two equations to find a point of intersection. So we should be substituting. So let's take the second equation and take out the y, make it as y subject in this equation. So it will become y equals to minus 2x minus 4 from equation 2, and from equation 1, if we substitute it, it will become two x minus 2x minus 4 times y. Sorry, this is y. 2x times minus 2x minus 4 plus 5y square. That is again minus 2x minus 4 square equals to 24. Okay, we are substituting in equation 1. Okay, this y. So we will be left with, now just simplify this. 2 times 4, so minus 4x square, 8x minus 8x plus 5 times. Okay, as we have this both negative, so let's take this minus 1 aside and 2x plus 4. Yes, you can do directly, but I'm just showing you for the people who will think it to be confusing. So it will become 5 times minus 1 square and 2x plus 4 whole square equals to 24. The rest of the equation will go as it is. Now we will be having minus 1 square obviously will be equals to 1. So plus 5 times 2x whole 2x square will be 4x square plus 4 square is 16 plus 2 times 4 times 2 plus 16x equals 24. The rest of the equation will go as it is. Now just multiply it with 5. 4 times 20 x square plus 16 times 5 is 16 into 5 gives you 80 plus 80 plus 80x minus 24 equals 0, and this will go as it is. Now we have to combine the like terms, so we have these two x terms, x square terms. We are left with 16x squared. Then we have this x term and this x term. So we are left with 72x and the numbers, we are left with 80 minus 24, and 80 minus 24 is 56 plus 56 equals 0. So this is your quadratic equation. Now we can also simplify this further and we will be left with, we can divide it, the whole equation by 8. So it will become 2x squared plus 9x plus 7 equals 0. Now we need to find the point of intersection, so let's solve this quadratic equation. So what do we need? When multiplied, we should be getting 12x squared, and when added, we should be getting so two numbers that when multiplied should give you 14, and when added or subtracted should give you 9. So these two numbers would be 7 and 2. 7 and 2. So 2x squared plus 7x plus 2x plus 7 equals 0. Okay, and now what can we take common? X from here. So 2x plus 7 and plus 1 common here will be, we are left with 2x plus 7 equals 0. And the factors that we will be getting would be x plus 1 times 2x plus 7, and from here we get 2x values. So either x plus 1 is equals to 0 or 2x plus 7 equals 0. So x is either equals to minus 1 or x is either equals to minus 7 over 2. But we don't just need the x coordinates, we also need the y coordinates. So taking any simplest equation to substitute the x values in there. So yeah, this is your y equation. We should be substituting our values in here in this equation. This one, y is equals to minus 2x minus 4. So y is equals to minus 2x minus 4. It will give you minus 2 times minus 1 minus 4. 2 minus 4, and that is minus 2. And again for the other value, minus 2x minus 4 minus 2 times minus 7 over 2 minus 4, it will give you 7 minus 4, that is 3. So which two coordinates do we have? We have the first coordinate that has which 2 points do we have? One is minus 1 minus 2, and the second would be minus 7 over 2 3. So these are the coordinates of the points of intersection. As they have already mentioned in the question also, not point of intersection, but rather the question was find the points of intersection. Okay, so these are the 2 points. I hope you get this question.